All right, guys, I'm at a dilemma. Okay, I just caught the shop porter, about to throw all of this goodies away. All right, now he said they trash, ain't nothing to do with them. They come off old cars that's going. And I said, "What are you doing? What are you doing?" I said, "Look, you can have them, but they gotta go. Get them out of the shop right now." So my dilemma is, I want them, but where do I put them? Okay, JT, think fast, think. Do y'all see all this money? Do y'all see some of these are aluminums, and it's really about the weight in the other cases. Look, nobody needs these, guys. Nobody use these type. Okay, JT, think. Now, I have a couple of options. I think that's like 8 total. I can get 3 right here, guys. It's all temporary till I go unload. So, I can clear a little space right here and get about 2 or 3 of them in here. Now I got a Pacifica over there that I'm gonna put about 3 in the trunk, all until I find or make time to this is going back here. So let me see. I told you some of this stuff just taking up space. They ain't even worked anything. Why the hell is this door panel? This is not a trash truck, people. Let's just put your freaking trash in my truck. Alright, so I just made room for 2. I'm not about to sit here and watch him with good conscience throw this money away. And you know what killed me about this guy that's throwing it away? He could use the money, but he's not savvy or sharp enough to know. I don't understand people, man. Like, dude, where's the hustle mentality to people? I don't get it. Like this guy, I ain't saying nothing bad about him or I ain't dogging him out, but where's the hustle? This is money you're throwing away. If you don't never have lunch money or you always have a hard time, you gotta gain a hustle mentality. Now, if you would look at me or look at my surroundings or my habits, you would think I'm just a poor bum. No, you know what? And the thing about me is, I love money, so that's the difference. No, I'm not explaining that right, and I ain't trying to cut nobody or dog anybody out. I'm just saying these younger guys don't have a hustle mentality. God, you have a truck or you have anything, right? And I like this cool. This guy, I ain't gonna call out his name, but I like him. So if you're a porter and your job is to clean up the shop, right? So you got, in a shop, in an automotive shop, you're gonna see stuff like aluminum rotors, all kinds of things that you can make money with, right? Laying around that you gotta clean up and throw away. Why ain't you getting it for yourself? Okay, I don't need it per se. I just hate to see money being thrown away. So I don't know how to explain that, guys. There's no explanation for it. I just been that way for years. Look at that. I don't even have time. My schedule won't even allow me time. Y'all remember the videos I was doing on the scrapyard run? I haven't done that in a while, simply because I haven't had time. But look at all this money sitting in this truck. All I gotta do, call Progressive, my insurance company. Look, turn my liability insurance on, and this truck will run and go. And just take off. I do not have time, guys. But I refuse. My dilemma and what I'm gonna do with all these wheels. I got a tire on order. I'm at the last. Look, I'm hiding them back here. I got so many. So what I'm gonna do is roll these over into my Pacifica. All right. For the time being, everything gotta go. So I gotta get the Pacifica out of here. So I'm just gonna roll these over here, hide these over here until because I'm about to take a load in right now, y'all. And let me take this over here. We're gonna hide this wheel. We're gonna hide 3 of these wheels in here until I can figure out what to do. Because this car is about had it, man. I'm not gonna even try to restore this back to life. It runs and everything. I just have nothing to do with it. I got good parts in here, so I gotta clean it up. Oh my God, look at my dash. Okay, yeah, this car had it. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, y'all can see what's in the shop. Yes, my Dodge Dakota, guys. I am getting ready to finally make a scrapyard run, guys. That's gonna be a different kind of scrapyard run because I got a lot of engines, so they're gonna need the hoist. Gonna need some kind of engine force to get all this off. I ain't picking up nothing, I ain't pushing nothing off, but I want to get paid for this stuff, so I'm about to find a better way to strap this, guys. First of all, I'm gonna make sure the tires off the part, make sure it got oil in it. Preliminary check, because where I'm going is about, I don't know, 15, 20 miles maybe, but it's gonna be worth it. I got gas in it, I'm gonna make sure there's oil in it. It's been sitting for a while. So let me grab my straps. Y'all know those green straps I bought the other day at Northern? Yeah, they're gonna come in. Watch this video right here, guys. I went to go get those just to get that transmission out. And that transmission gonna wind up back here. So I need to make room for it. Look at that, guys. Hemi. Where you at, Dart Hemi? Got some heads over here if you want them. Dart hate when I throw Hemi stuff away. PTU, transfer case. I don't know, what is this? This is a Pentastar. Hey, with the updated PCB valve. Remember I told you guys the updated ones only come with 2 screws. They did away with this one because this head was turned this way and it was making it hard to replace it. I have enough of these, that's why I ain't bother taking them off. Normally I take stuff off and keep it for extra parts, but I got so many Pentastar stuff. There's another, I think this is Pentastar, somebody replaced. Transfer case, radiators. No real money back here. I mean, they're gonna put this in a separate category because it's not all strictly aluminum. It's iron/aluminum, so they combine it and call it iron-numinum. I don't know. But that is what I'm about to do. As far as I got a bunch of junk inside, I got wheels outside. Let me go down here to my area and see, because I need some room, guys. It don't look like my Nissan gonna ever, not ever, it's not no time soon it's gonna be back up and running. See, this is my area. I have transmission right here, so 62, 2 radiators. And I told them to hide some stuff over here for me. Yes, 2 more engines. Look like 6 more radiators. That's a Pentastar. I don't know what that come out of. This come out of that Jeep I did the other day. And we got an old CBT over here. So yes, I need some more room. And the only way to get some more room is to go make a run, guys. So that is what I'm about to do. Yeah, I got to get all this stuff. I got a couple of batteries I checked at Brothers Motors that they not no good. That's the big money maker there, guys. Batteries. So I got, especially these big heavy batteries. So those come from Brothers Motors. So I already put them on the GR8. They came up failed, guys. So they're not gonna be. I can't save them. So what I'm gonna do now? Let's get to it, man. Hopefully I have some room by the time he's done with that transmission. There's another one right there. And there's an engine over there. Y'all see that engine over there? All those are CP high mileage cars, guys. We're not allowed to gamble, try to fix high mileage cars anymore. It's too big of a risk. We had a meeting, manager say it's best that we get a complete unit, either whether it be new or used, as long as it's a different unit, because anything over 250, 300,000 miles, they won't let us repair. And I can understand, guys. Remember, guys, I'm under a different set of rules than I am here than I am at Brothers Motors. All right, so guys, I'm gonna quit talking, man. I'm talking too much. Let me, do I got gas? No, I need to stop at a gas station. And we're gonna get started, guys. Y'all ready, man? Let me take a break. When I get back, we're gonna get headed out there, all right? Stay tuned, I'll be right back. All right, guys, here we go. Y'all wish your boy luck. I need some gas. I ain't giving about $6. Oh my goodness, look at the weight. I'm down to the ground. But I have no choice. Ooh, this side look worse. Tell you what, man, y'all just wish your boy luck. Let's see what happened. Here we go. Whoa, $6 for 2 gallons of gas. That means gas is $3 a gallon? All right, it don't matter. Yeah, next time y'all see me, I should be pulling in. Let's get it, baby. Alrighty, guys, I am almost here. Yes, I did it, guys. You talking about a tough truck. This is a Dodge Dakota. Oh no, oh no! Oh my goodness, are you kidding me? Oh my goodness, they freaking closed. No, today is Saturday. Why? Oh no, guys. All this driving I did for nothing. Oh my freaking goodness. You have got to be kidding me. A big ass wasted trip. Some told me to call, but today's Saturday. It can't be closed because of the holiday weekend. Oh, guys, I am so hurt. I have accomplished absolutely nothing today. Oh, I cannot believe this. All right, guys, I'm hurt. We'll try it again. Monday is a holiday, so I don't even know if they ain't open today. What are the chances of they being open Monday? Well, anyway, let me head back to the shop. Man, all right, guys, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all on the next video.